Right, we're ready for the sexy shot. Crispy bacon falling off everywhere.
Oh, it's my first ever smash burger. And it looks gorgeous.
Okay, right, welcome back to another Trev's Grill Gang. I do not know why I chose a name that was a bit of a tongue twister for me to say. Anyway, it's done. Let's move on. Let's not talk about it ever again. When you're watching YouTube and you're watching the American channels go on about their grills and things like that, you see that they do a lot of smash burger videos. And starting a channel, a cooking channel, I feel compelled to do a smash burger. Just because I've got a grill, I've got to do a smash burger, I should imagine. And my good friend Neil, who's behind the camera today, he has never had a smash burger, so let's do a smash burger.
Never had a smash burger.
Let's do it.
Heard about them, never had them.
I've got some, oh that's different, some 25% mince, fat mince. Normally it's 80-20, but it's obviously 15-25% fat. 75-25% fat. So that's a weird one, but anyway, but that was from Lidl. Can't remember how much I paid for it, but it's not too expensive from Lidl. Anyway, so I'm going to make, first of all, I'm going to make probably about 80 gram sort of balls we can smash down. Sounds painful, doesn't it?
My balls, mate.
Don't smash me balls.
My balls in again, are you? Oh my God.
Put that down there. And I've figured out that about 80 grams, if you go 100 grams, it's just too much to push down. So about a 90 or 80 gram ball, I think, is about spot on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take about a third of this meat, mince meat. Do you know what I always forget? I'm going to have to go back up to the house and get. I always forget about seasoning. I just, useless basically. Wind's going to blow it all away. So I don't want to pack these too tightly. Don't it pee you off when someone's been at the scales and they've changed the measurements into ounces or something? I want it in grams. I need a tray or something to put all this on. Just keep. Yeah. I need some help. From the wind and the rain. Why? Perfect, thank you. So that's about 82, that one. That'd be all right. Let's do another one. Again, 82. That'd be all right. That's under. Way under. 72. They don't have to be exactly 80. You can make them to whatever you want, but I just found that 80 grams is just the optimal smash, I think. That's about 80 as well. And we want one more. $81. So we've got 4 burgers to smash. Right, now I'm going to run up to the house and get some seasoning, which I forgot about. Okay, so I'm back. And I've got myself, out the cupboard, some Montreal steak seasoning. Picked this up on my last visit to America in a Target, or was it a Walmart? Well, one of the two. But I should have bought loads of these. And I got some crushed chili flakes for myself. Won't give Neil them. So let's get these on the grill. We had a little bit of a power cut, so I've had to reset some fuses and get this grill back up. I did think it might take a bit too much power out of the extension lead from the garage. So we're just getting back up to temp, but I did actually, or I was reminded by Neil of something. I'm going to put some bacon, streaky bacon, on the smash burgers, make them bacon smash burgers. So it's a good job we had that little interval. So yeah, I'm going to put streaky bacon on the right hand side. Hopefully that's hot enough now. I'm going to get this cook. And I just had a revelation with this, with bacon on the griddle. I would normally, instinctively, put them up and down. But if I put them horizontally, a bit later on, it makes it a bit easier. I'll show you. Like I say, I've got this a bit lower temperature on the right hand side here, because if I have it up full blast, it will just race away. It will just be too quick, and we want that to cook way before the smash burgers, because smash burgers do not take long at all. Right, yeah, so if you lie the bacon horizontally, you can flip, hopefully, you can flip two at once. Bit of a time saver. Move them up a little bit. Nice. We're getting a bit smoky now, so we're well up to temperature on this side. 280 degrees C. Let's put the burgers down that side now. And now we should get a bit of a sizzle. There we go.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was missing from the first time we attempted this. And then I realised, because we've got no power, we're off. So I want to give that a few seconds. Have a look at this beauty, this Blackstone burger press. Again, from America, from Target.
Good old Target.
A really hefty thing to have in your suitcase, coming home, extra bit of weight in your suitcase. Right, let's smash this first one down. And you want to hold it for a good sort of 8 seconds, 10 seconds. Probably about right. Oh, I might just try and push that a bit harder on the right hand side. Perfect. These really don't take long once they're going. Yay. Quick bit of seasoning. You can see all the blood pooling on top of this one. It pretty much means it's ready to turn. So get some Montreal steak seasoning on these. It's already lovely and crispy. Don't take long. Right, just going to flip some of this bacon. Because that is pretty much done, I reckon. You like your bacon crispy now?
Oh yes.
Good, because it's going to be crispy.
I like my bacon crispy then.
Let's turn that right down. In fact, I'm going to turn that side off. Don't need that. Cheese? Cheese or?
Oh, cheese, please, yes.
Oh, cheesy.
Oh, cheesy.
Double
yes,
cheese, one cheese.
double cheese, me. Let's go crazy.
Once you've got the right heat, it goes really quick, so you've got to have everything to hand.
Ready, prepared.
Not like I did at the beginning. Those burgers are already done. Buns.
And the sun's coming out.
Got to get me buns on. I've got to toast the buns a little bit. And I've just gone for regular buns from Tesco's up the road. I could have got brioche buns, try to be a bit fancy, but no, I've got the wrong knife for this, I think. If I got the brioche buns, they probably would have been cut already.
Pre-cut.
And
They look like they're pre-cut.
they look like they're pre-cut, don't they? Really weird.
Got a slight overhang on the top.
Yeah, but anyway, let's try and find a bit of space in the middle, soak up some of that bacon grease. There we go. Like I say, these burgers are done.
Gorgeous looking stuff.
And always try and clean as you go. I'm going to turn all that off now. Try and clean as you go. Yeah, the buns don't take long. I'll leave them for a bit longer. Oh, I put my chilies on. Oh well, I'll put chilies on top. In the cheese. That'd be more than enough. That's better. Right. Do you want sauce on the bottom bun, or do you want tomato or mustard, or
I'll go sauce on the bottom, please, and I'll chuck the mustard on
bit of
the top.
both, or
Bit of both, yeah.
Bit of both.
Let's go crazy. Because it's my inaugural
smash burger?
smash burger. It's my virgin smash burger.
Ooh,
Look at that, ladies and gents. Beautiful.
Bacon, couple of bits.
Couple of bits, please. Thank you very much.
All right.
Yes.
Wow, it's bloody hot. Crisscross of the bacon.
Whoa, look at that, folks. Gorgeous.
Yeah, there we go. One smash burger. I'll do mine. Go for the same thing, I think. Oh, bit extra sauce on the griddle. Ow, it's hot. Why didn't you warn me now?
It's hot, Trev.
Thanks for warning me. Right, that's all off.
Look at these.
Okay,
Look at these.
let's put that on there. Let's try and organise this a little bit nicer. A little bit nicer. There we go. Oh, a bit more sauce on top, I think. Right. Right, are we ready for the sexy shot? Yes.
Looking absolutely amazing.
Crispy bacon falling off
Absolutely
everywhere.
gorgeous.
Thanks, Neil. What about cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger's gorgeous as well.
There we go.
And all sexy and lovely.
Lovely.
Look at that. Beautiful. And we're now going to eat them.
Yep.
Let's give it a go. And there's a bit more sauce on top.
Gherkins. I want a bloody jar of gherkins. Keep forgetting. Do you want gherkins? No. I love it when bacon is so crispy that you could drop it on the floor, drop it on the deck, and it will just shatter.
Crispy bacon.
He's crispy.
Very nice, though. Very, very nice. Well, it's my first ever smash burger, and it looks gorgeous. Here we go, folks. Wow,
All right.
that is good, man. There's flavour, crispy, the burger's soft, beautiful. Similarly, it's not also oozing all over your hand.
No.
Looks nice, well stacked.
It's the edge. It's these crispy edges that you get when you do the smash burger.
Soft in the middle, a little bit crunch. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
Aren't you?
So now when I go places and I see smash burger, I know what it is.
Just ain't to compare it to. And you don't need a grill, you can do it in the pan. You don't need a big press either. You could literally just use the bottom of a jar
Yeah.
and just push it down. Or something.
Do you have to push them down on the grill, or can you do it on the worktop here? Like you did with the.
You can
bacon?
flatten them out if you want to, but the point of pushing them down is that you're pressing them against the hot plate,
Right.
and it's getting really.
And you get
It's
the,
just the heat.
juices.
Yeah, it's
on
what they
there.
say. They call a Maillard reaction, where it just you're pressing it against the hot
Yeah.
plate and it's just searing straight away.
And considering
That's
it
the
came off
idea.
the hot pan literally a few minutes ago, It's nice and hot, but it's not burning your mouth. 20 out of 10.
Fantastic, you heard it here, guys. 20 out of 10.
20 out of 10.
All right,
Out of 5 stars, gets 100.
okay, there you go. Nice and simple, easy smash burgers. Like I say, you don't need a grill. A nice hot frying pan. Easy, all right? Always a winner. A crowd pleaser. Some other
Oh yeah.
adjectives.
Adjectives.
Whatever.
Winner, winner,
Adjectives.
burger dinner.
There we go. Right. Thanks for watching the video again. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching right to the end because that helps the algorithms as well. If you're not a subscriber, please do so. That really helps me out. It's free for you. Helps me out immensely. A comment, thumbs up, all those good things. It really helps. And we'll see you next time on Trev's Grill. See? Trev's Grill Gang. Chosen a tongue twister name. What an idiot. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Take care, folks.